In an era where self-expression and personal identity are at the forefront of social consciousness, many individuals are exploring ways to highlight and celebrate their unique femininity. While some may opt for cosmetic procedures or surgery, there is a growing desire to achieve a naturally feminine face without relying on invasive techniques. Enter the world of natural methods, a realm where beauty is enhanced through mindful care, simple techniques, and embracing one's own individuality. Why should you be interested in achieving a naturally feminine face? For many individuals who identify as female or non-binary, it goes beyond societal expectations or conforming to traditional ideas of beauty. It's about feeling comfortable in one's own skin, owning every curve and contour that makes them uniquely themselves. It's about having control over how they present themselves to the world. By focusing on natural approaches instead of resorting solely to surgical interventions, individuals can tap into their inner strength and embrace their femininity authentically. Whether you're looking for subtle enhancements or dramatic transformations, this video aims to guide you towards practical tips, exercises, and strategies that will help you achieve a naturally feminine face while maintaining your individuality. So whether you're intrigued by skincare routines infused with nature's wonders or eager to learn makeup tricks tailored specifically for enhancing your features without overpowering them, keep watching. We explore not just physical aspects but also delve into mental practices that bolster self-confidence, because it's not just about appearing more feminine, it's about radiating confidence from within. Let us embark on this journey together toward unveiling the true essence of your beautiful self, authentically feminine yet wonderfully unique. To achieve a naturally feminine face, establishing an effective skincare routine is essential. A consistent and personalized regimen can help improve the texture and glow of your skin, enhancing your overall appearance. But where do you start? First and foremost, it's crucial to choose products that are gentle on your skin. Look for cleansers with mild ingredients that won't strip away natural oils or cause irritation. Once you find a suitable cleanser, make sure to cleanse your face both morning and night to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Follow up with a moisturizer specifically designed for your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination, as this will provide long-lasting hydration while sealing in moisture. While finding the right cleanser and moisturizer is key to any skincare routine, using sunscreen should not be overlooked. Applying sunscreen daily offers protection against harmful UV rays that can damage the skin over time. It also helps prevent premature aging by reducing the risk of wrinkles and fine lines from sun exposure. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to achieving healthy-looking skin. Committing to a skincare routine tailored to your unique needs will pay off in the long run as you embark on this journey towards embracing your natural femininity. Did you know that exercising your facial muscles can help improve muscle tone and tightness, ultimately enhancing the overall appearance of your face? Just like how regular exercise helps to keep our bodies firm and fit, incorporating targeted facial exercises into your routine can have a similar effect on your facial features. One effective exercise for sculpting those coveted high cheekbones is the cheekbone lift. To perform this exercise, simply place 2 fingers lightly on each cheekbone and push upwards while using slight resistance from the fingers to engage the muscles. Hold this position for 10 seconds and repeat several times throughout the day. Not only will it give you a temporary lift, but with consistency, it can also contribute to improving muscle definition in that area. For those aiming to achieve a more defined jawline, try out an exercise called jawline clench. Start by closing your mouth tightly together before slowly opening it again until there's a slight gap between your upper and lower teeth. Then, begin clenching your jaw repeatedly as if chewing gum. This movement engages the muscles along the jawline effectively when done consistently over time. In addition to these exercises targeting specific areas of the face, incorporating yoga or facial massage techniques could further aid in stimulating blood circulation while relaxing tense areas on both men and women alike. So why not take some time each day to show yourself some self-care by adding these simple exercises into your routine? It's an effortless way to naturally enhance feminine features without any invasive procedures. Your hairstyle has the power to transform your whole look and showcase your femininity. Whether you have short hair or long locks, there are plenty of styles that can accentuate your facial features and give you a naturally feminine appearance. For those with shorter hair, consider going for a pixie cut or a bob with soft layers. These hairstyles frame the face beautifully and highlight delicate features like cheekbones and jawlines. Experiment with different styling techniques such as adding volume at the roots for an extra touch of femininity. And don't forget to embrace accessories. A pretty headband or an embellished clip can instantly elevate any haircut while drawing attention to your most feminine attributes. If you prefer longer hair, opt for cascading waves or loose curls that add softness and movement around your face. This style adds elegance while emphasizing natural beauty. Play around with braids, twists, or updos for more versatility in expressing your femininity. Don't be afraid to experiment with various parting styles too. Changing from a middle part to a side part can completely alter how others perceive the shape of your face. Remember, finding the perfect hairstyle is all about experimenting and discovering what works best for you personally. Consider consulting hairstylists who specialize in working with different face shapes. They'll provide valuable insights tailored specifically to enhance your unique facial features, whether they be high cheekbones, full lips, or captivating eyes. By choosing hairstyles that complement rather than overpower our face's natural beauty, we can achieve a harmonious balance between showcasing our femininity while feeling confident in our own skin. So go ahead, set off on this exciting journey of self-discovery through fabulous new hairstyles. Self-confidence plays a crucial role in not only achieving a naturally feminine appearance but also in embracing one's unique beauty. When it comes to transforming your facial features, everything starts from within, and that means cultivating a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. Confidence exudes an energy that can enhance any physical trait. One exercise you can try is affirmations. Stand in front of the mirror each day and repeat positive statements about yourself, such as "I am beautiful," "I have unique features that make me special," or "I love and accept myself just as I am." Over time, these affirmations will start to build up your self-esteem and help you appreciate the beauty that radiates from within. Another powerful exercise is visualization. Take a few moments each day to imagine yourself with the feminine features you desire. Visualize yourself walking confidently into a room with your head held high, radiating grace and poise. By consistently visualizing this image of yourself, you are more likely to manifest those qualities both physically and mentally. Remember, building confidence takes time and consistency, so be patient with yourself throughout this journey of self-discovery. Embrace who you are now while working towards becoming the best version of yourself, confident, radiant, and authentically feminine. One of the key aspects of achieving a natural and feminine face is mastering the art of applying makeup in a way that enhances your features without looking overdone. When it comes to selecting makeup products, opt for ones that are lightweight and have a more sheer coverage. This will not only prevent heavy buildup on your skin but also create a more seamless and natural look. To emphasize desirable traits such as larger eyes or fuller lips, there are simple techniques you can incorporate into your everyday makeup routine. For bigger-looking eyes, apply one coat of mascara to enhance their length and volume. Then, use a nude or light-colored eyeliner on the waterline to make your eyes appear wider and brighter. When it comes to creating plumper-looking lips, try using lip gloss instead of lipstick. The shine from the gloss creates an illusion of fullness while still maintaining a soft and natural appearance. Additionally, lightly dabbing highlighter or shimmery eyeshadow onto the center of your lips can give them an extra pop. By understanding these easy-to-follow techniques for applying makeup with finesse, you can accentuate your natural beauty effortlessly while enhancing those distinctively feminine features in no time at all. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is not only crucial for your overall well-being, but it also has a significant impact on the appearance of your face. When you prioritize your health, it shows in the way your skin glows and how vibrant and youthful you look. One of the most important habits to incorporate into your daily routine is staying hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day ensures that your skin stays moisturized, plump, and supple. In addition to hydration, regular exercise plays a vital role in promoting a naturally feminine face. Engaging in physical activity increases blood circulation, which delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to the skin cells. This leads to improved complexion, reduced puffiness, and enhanced facial contours. Incorporate exercises that target different muscle groups in the face, such as smiling exercises or face yoga techniques to help tone and tighten facial muscles. Another key aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle for enhancing feminine features is nourishing your body with nutritious foods. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that support optimal skin health. These nutrients combat free radicals that can damage collagen fibers, resulting in sagging or dull-looking skin. Finally, your mental well-being also plays a crucial role in achieving a naturally feminine face. Make sure you manage stress levels effectively. A stressed mind directly impacts our appearances. It causes breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. Stress management techniques like mindfulness meditation, breathing exercises, and engaging hobbies promote calmness, reduce cortisol levels, and improve sleep quality. All these factors contribute towards maintaining beautiful, naturally feminine features. Don't underestimate how much power self-care can have on nurturing both inner peace as well as outer beauty.